Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. So today is all about AI storytelling, and what that means is, let's say you have a whole bunch of video files that you want to put together into just one story. What this AI storytelling is going to do in PowerDirector, what it's going to do is just take all those video files, and then based off your prompts, you put a title in of a description of what you want. It's pretty much going to edit your video for you on top of adding subtitles and on top of adding music as well. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Really cool feature that's kind of recent for PowerDirector 365. So let's just get right into it. All right, so here we are in PowerDirector right now. The first thing I'm going to go, there's this option up here on the toolbar for Gen AI, and then I'm going to click on AI storytelling right there. So this is the thing what you're going to see at first when it pops up here. First, we're going to see this one right here. It tells you what you're going to do. Turn your clips into complete videos AI. So really cool that that's what we're going to do. You kind of see kind of the sample that they give you right there. So I'm just going to click on that, hit OK. And first, before I do anything, I'm just going to go down this left-hand side right here. So story title is, all right, for the story title, I'll put Day in the Life of a Business Traveler. Let me give you a description. Let me fill out these parts right here. All right, so there we go. I filled out this left-hand side here. This is the title, this is the description here, and this is just specific arrangements. It's optional, but I just wanted to put it in there to see what would happen. And then as far as the theme here, these are all the themes you could do. I'm gonna keep it on travel here. I do like the creative style. There is also like a classic, but let's do creative, why not? So for duration, it goes all the way up to 120 seconds here. I'm just gonna leave it 120 seconds, a full 2 minutes. Language there. You can do a 9:16 is the kind of the vertical short version. This is the 16:9, the horizontal one. I'm gonna keep it at that. So with that, this right hand side here is where you put all your images or all your video files. Note there is a total duration of 10 minutes. There's also a cap of, I believe, 30 files you could use. I have 23 right here that I'm going to just drag and drop into here. Cool. So it did its thing right there. One thing to note, credits. It takes credits, 35 credits here. I have a little bit over 100 right now. And then here you go. This is the footage of me a few years back. I might look a little bit younger, which is nice. But yeah, this is just some random clips of my footage that I have when I was traveling back in the day. So from here, we have everything set up. I'm going to hit generate storyboard, click on that, let it do its thing. Let's see how long it takes. So it is almost finished processing here. Let's give it just a little bit of time. So the processing is all done right now. It took about, I would say, like 5 minutes or so for it to fully process through. This is kind of the output, what happens next here. You kind of see this is the pop-up screen, and so it breaks it down into, let's see how many scenes here, 6 different scenes here. And so what you're going to see is just kind of breakdown of each scene, the story, the hook, which is really important, making sure that you get everyone's attention so they stay within the video there. There's subtitles embedded in there. It's now moving on the second scene with the airport, getting to the destination, getting to the hotel. Man, look, watching this kind of brings back memories. This was done more than 5 years ago. So, but yeah, you kind of see like what happens here with like the breakdown of the scene. So travel, get to the hotel, do a little workout. It looks like waking up, getting ready for the workday, going to work, and then that is it. And then what happens now? Let's see. Let's do storyboard preview here. I'm going to click on play and see what happens here. Let's actually zoom out.
This is a business traveler's day. The 6:54 a.m. alarm signals the start of the grind.
So there's a little bit of the preview there. So I'm going to go hit next now. So one of the things it did do is also add subtitles. You see that kind of in the faded background right here. On top of that, it's going to add some background music, which is really cool. So we're just going to let it run through. So one of the things you see down here at the bottom, subtitles, and then the AI narration. Looks like I was not able to change this quite yet. So let's just go see if there is more. So you choose. All right, there we go. There's pause, but you can see all the voices you can kind of work through right here. And then that's about it. Background music, auto match AI. Let's see if there was any music that I heard here. Yeah, so you hear some music in the background. Really cool. I'm going to export this and then show you what the final output is. And then we'll just kind of go from there. All right, so I did export the video already, but there was also another button to add the timeline here, and that's what you're seeing on this screen here. This is actually kind of what the AI storytelling put together here. So you see all of my clips that I selected, and then kind of put everything down as well. These are the parts that you see. So the captions are right here. This is more of the dialogue with the AI voice, and then down here on track 3 is the music here. So that's everything put together. And if you remember, I did put a duration of 120 seconds or 2 minutes, which is right around this point right here. But it actually went over closer to 2 minutes, which is totally cool with me. It's great that the storytelling or the AI agent did that. So if you did want to kind of change things around, edit, you totally can. You don't have to just take the storytelling as is. So like, let's say you didn't want this song, this music here, you could remove it and replace it with what you want. If you didn't want like the AI to say a certain thing at a certain time, you just remove it. Or again, you could edit it around along with the captions as well here. So I'm going to play this full video now as is, what the AI storytelling put together, so you get an idea what it looks like. I'm also, remember, I have a link to my original video that I did myself many years ago, so I have that as well. So that's the AI storytelling, really cool tool to have. Again, if you need support and help with like putting together kind of a storyline for your videos. So enjoy this one.
This is a business traveler's day. The 6:54 a.m. alarm signals the start of the grind, expeditiously preparing for a demanding full day of intensive training sessions. Following a standard hotel morning routine before venturing out into the city. It is a quite chilly 2 degrees Fahrenheit in Denver. The air is crisp and you can clearly see your breath. Driving to the office with the Rocky Mountains in view. Arriving at the office for 2 intense days of training. But first, an absolutely unexpected and delightful local greeting right outside the building. A stunningly beautiful coyote appears, representing a truly only in Colorado wildlife encounter moment. Then it is immediately time to get down to serious business and fully focus. After a thoroughly productive day of learning, the intense training is finally completed. Squeezing in a highly efficient quick workout session at the convenient hotel gym, the absolutely perfect relaxing way to unwind after completing a long day. Going from the biting, freezing cold snow outdoors straight into the comforting warmth of a hot tub. Then, refueling our bodies with delicious takeout from Pho Dewey located in Broomfield. A hearty, comforting bowl of authentic pho is precisely what was needed, plus an amazing, vibrant spread of delectable fresh spring rolls and succulent seafood. After completing 2 intensive days, it is finally time to start the journey home. Carefully navigating the snow-covered roads back towards Denver International Airport, making our deliberate way through the crowded and busy airport terminal. Boarding the assigned flight and settling comfortably in for the long ride home. That is officially a wrap on another highly successful and productive business trip. What is your preferred travel routine? Please let me know your thoughts below.
So that's it for the AI storytelling. Really cool tool to have. Again, if you have a bunch of videos and need a little support about putting your videos together and how to make the flow work, really cool tool to have. Again, it does take credits there, a good amount of credits, but it is an available tool for you. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end, and then I'll see you in the next one. Take care.